Hey guys, so I figured out a way to get me into the kitchen. I got this nice little scooter. This is the first video I've done since my foot surgery, so it's all wrapped right now. I don't even have it in the cast yet, but once I'm in a cast, I'll be able to stand up at least and look somewhat normal. But I want to keep going. I want to keep spending time with you guys. I want to keep cooking dishes with you and share my findings. So today we're going to compete against Pit Boss and Lumberjack Pellets. All of you rave about Lumberjack Pellets. That's all I ever hear is how wonderful Lumberjack Pellets are. So I went to Walmart. I got the cheap Pit Boss ones. They're not much of a difference really, but they're a little less expensive. And then I went to, I think it was Dick's Sporting Goods, and I got the Lumberjack ones. So we're literally battling the pellets. I don't think I've ever seen a video like this. Maybe somebody's done it, but I got to do it for myself. I'm going to bring you in close and show you what I'm going to cook, and then we're going to taste the difference. And if there's no difference, okay, I've proven my point. Because I believe there's no difference between pellets. You guys rave about it. I think it's all in your head. But if I'm wrong, I'll admit it, okay? Come on in close. Okay guys, well here is the basics. We've got these are boneless pork loin chops. I got these, I believe from Butcher Box, so I want to shout out to them because if you want clean meat, Butcher Box gives you the cleanest meat on the web that I know of. They're just a really great company, a lot to choose from. So we got 4 of those. We got some Italian seasoning right here, got salt, got pepper, and then I don't know if you guys remember, I went to Patty's 1886 settlement, I think it was, and we bought this sauce, and I've never been able to use it because it's a sauce for pork. I've heard for steak, I've heard for chicken, but this is the first time I've seen a pork specially made sauce. So we're gonna taste this and let you know if it's any good. You can, if it's good, you can always order it online, but if it tastes like crap, I promise to tell you. Okay, first thing we're gonna do, a little salt in each one. A little bit of pepper. And don't be lazy. Turn these over when you're done and season them, okay? Take your Italian seasoning. I'm going heavy on my Italian seasoning. In fact, I'm taking the lid off. Take the time to season the other side. Alright guys, here's the Pit Boss and here's the Lumberjack. We're gonna just take a taste. The only thing we're doing today is the flavor, okay? We wanna see if there's a difference between pellet flavors. Alright? Let's open those up right now. So we laid them out on plates so we can taste it. And I can tell you right now, I can smell the smoky flavor. I don't know which one it is, but I can smell it. All right, we're gonna taste it without this sauce, and then we'll try the Patty Settlement sauce later, okay? So let's get cutting into these. All right, guys, the inside, we just cut into it. It looks absolutely beautiful, absolutely beautiful. They're both cooked perfect. This is gonna be a great test. Okay, now I'm gonna ask my wife to just hand me one, and I'm gonna keep my eyes closed. I'm gonna try it. And then hand me another one, I'll taste it again. The reason I'm doing this is so that you don't think I'm doing favorites. So my wife's gonna reach in and hand me one fork with one piece. Okay, and I'm gonna try it. That's really good. A lot of smokiness. All right, next one. Thank you, sweetheart. There is a difference. The second one is not as strong smoky flavor. All right. Did I just prove the lumberjack has better flavor? This one has way better flavor, guys. That's why I had her hand them to me randomly, so that you didn't think I was leaning towards one over the other, okay? Definitely, the Pit Boss is a lot weaker in flavor. It cooked all the way to 145 and we pulled it off. This one cooked to 145, we pulled it off. They're both identical, but this one is exploding in flavor. So Lumberjack, congratulations. So far, you're the winner. We may try another brand, but so far, Lumberjack's the one I'm going to be going with from now on. And you can get those at Dick's Sporting Good. I know that. Or you can get, I just ordered Bear Mountain. Yeah, that's the next one I'm going to be trying. And we'll see which one's better, all right? But for right now, the winner is Lumberjack. Congratulations. Now we're going to try this really quick before we let you guys go. Okay, guys. Now this is the Patty's Settlement, or Patty's 1886 Settlement. It's a real famous restaurant in Kentucky, and we bought a bottle of their pork sauce, and I've never used pork sauce. I've used duck sauce on pork, but I've never seen one that's made just for pork. So we're going to try right now, see if it's worth it, or we'll just stick with the seasoning. Here we go. Okay, that's so worth it. That is really good. The moment it touched my tongue, it exploded. And I do stand corrected. This is for pork, and you can also put it on chicken. So I'm thinking of doing some sous vide cooking with that on some, it's amazing. That's really good sauce. All right, you can order that online. So just take a look at their restaurant, all right? You guys take care, and I will see you on the next episode. Bye-bye.